9 Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, ready for CB Radio VideoGate. One Division, Italy, 9 Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, returning.
Yes, 9 Tango Charlie 02. This is a 1 November Alpha 101. 1 November Alpha 101.
Roger, 1 November Alpha 101, Italy. 9 Tango Charlie 02 here in Newfoundland, Canada, returning once again, and we are commencing a CB Radio VideoGate, sir.
My name is John Juliet Oscar, Alter Menfi, South Italy, Naples City. What is your personal name? Your name, over.
Roger, John. My personal is Andy. Say again, Andy. Alpha, November, Delta, Yankee.
Yes, Mr. Handy, Mr. Handy. 100%, my friend, Handy. Handy Heritage Meeting for Naples City. Mr. Handy, Naples City. I spell for you, Handy. November, Alpha, Panama, Oceania, Lima, India. But you, Handy, over.
Roger on that, John. Nepali, Italy, 100% on the last over. Thank you for that. My QTH is St. George's. Say again, QTH, St. George's. That's George with an apostrophe S. Here on the west coast of Newfoundland. Back to you, John.
Yes, my friend Andy, it's possible for you. Is the Sparling for your city. But you all.
Pardon me, sir. One more time, please.
Yes, I'm spelling for you for your city name, okay? I spell for you, spelling for you for city name.
Roger, yes, I can spell the city name for you, John. The first part of the city name is Saint. Sierra, Alpha, India, November, Tango. And then it's George's. That would be Gulf, Echo, Oscar, Gulf, Echo, apostrophe, Sierra.
Yes, my friend, for you, Sierra, Delta, India, November, Oscar, separation, Gulf, Echo, Delta, Gulf, Echo, Sierra. This is correct, Andy, but you're...
My apologies, my friend. I did not send it back to you right. No, absolutely not. It's George. George's. So I'll try once again. That would be Gulf, Echo, Oscar, Romeo, Gulf, Echo, Sierra.
Yes, George, sorry, my friend Andy. Sorry, my friend Andy, okay. Poco in English, my friend, no problem, Mr. Andy. Okay, my working condition, my transceiver, just a moment, transmitting for ICOM, my transceiver, India Charlie, 7300. The main microphone is the studio, microphone is not original, it's a microphone of Behringer. Behringer is the studio microphone. And the processor, my friend, the noise gate for maybe Europe, my friend, okay? It's an antenna dipole antenna, big inverted, negativo horizontal, negativo vertical, it's a dipole filar, antenna filar, you understand, Andy Hall?
Roger, John, 100% on that last over, and thank you for that. Thank you very much for that. My personal working conditions here is a Cobra 2000 radio, and I'm using an Antron 99 antenna, which is just 15 feet at the base. Back to you, John. And thank you, John. Thank you, John. 1 November Alpha 101, Italy. I hope I still have condition with you, John. I would like to pass along information on how you can see this CB Radio VideoGate on my YouTube. My YouTube channel name is Andy Tobin. Say again, YouTube channel name Andy Tobin. Last name Tango, Oscar, Bravo, India, November. I hope you got that last piece of information, John. You can go to YouTube and see this video once I get it uploaded. Okay, thank you, John. Conditions have really deteriorated on your last over, so I suspect that we're going to have some trouble from here on in. This is 9 Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. We are clear at 1 November Alpha 101, John in Italy. We'll be back on the quiet and uploading CB Radio VideoGate. Thank you, John, and have a wonderful day. Happy DXing, and God bless you.
For 12 hours, I am Mr. Costa being for information. For international. But okay, my friend, thank you. Serenity, all the best to you. Good life. Bye-bye.